FX Master Gold owners behind NovaTech and Absolute Market? Yeah, after doing some digging, this is pretty crazy, but they seem to be connected. Now, before I keep going, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe, click that bell icon so every time I do bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. Plus, I expose scams, and if you don't want to be scammed in your whole life ever again, just make sure you follow me. I do a lot of these type of reviews and also news, so you can be safe. And if I do find something that is legitimate, I will definitely let my audience know. So that's why you need to subscribe. But let's get into it. It seems that the people behind NovaTech FX and other companies I've mentioned have something to hide. Recently, an address that linked all these companies together was discovered, and as soon as they were called out on it, the address was removed from NovaTech FX's website. So as you can see here, I actually managed to get a screenshot a long time ago, and you can see Suite 305 Griffith Corporate Center. Okay, so this is what it used to be. Now, when you head over to their website, the contact us info is completely gone. They completely stripped it. That is very interesting if you ask me. And Absolute Market shows the address as well, right? We still got Suite 305 Griffith Corporate Center. So they are connected. You think the same company, different companies have the same address? That does not happen. As you can see here, I actually covered this in my previous video. There has been abuse and misuse of Suite 305 Griffith Corporate Center. So it says that we have been encountering many inquiries and negative ratings online for companies that appear to occupy office space at our complex, namely Suite 305. The negative commentary and ratings online are unwarranted and are completely misguided. In case of any allegation of fraud, you can pursue the following course of action. So basically, it's telling them to contact them and also contact the proper authorities that are leveraging these office spaces in the wrong way. You know what? It's just crazy. Like, they decided to use this same suite. I mean, seriously, it's like they rented out a corner on the internet, set up a shop as a virtual scamming hub. It's almost like they're trying to make it too easy for them to get exposed. But let's be real here. If you're trying to scam people out of their money, maybe don't use one office address as your main point of contact on all three companies. That's like robbing a bank, leaving a driver license behind at the scene. Talk about leaving a paper trail. Maybe I shouldn't have given that tip, but okay, let's break it down. These companies, FX Master Gold, NovaTech FX, and Absolute Markets, are making some pretty wild claims about how much money you can make with them. They're promising returns of 15% or more, which sounds pretty sweet, but when you start digging in a little deeper, you realize that they're not really showing you how they're making all that money. It's like they're trying to sell you a get-rich scheme, but they're not giving you any secret recipe, right? And there's one thing, none of these companies are registered with any financial regulatory bodies, right? Which means they're not even allowed to offer securities. It's like they're trying to sell you a fancy car without a license plate. Sure, it looks nice, but you can't drive it anywhere. So, what's the deal here? While it's important to be skeptical when looking into an investment opportunity, before you hand over your hard-earned cash, you should do your research and make sure the company is legit. That means looking into their financials, checking for complaints or negative reviews, and verifying that they've registered with a financial regulator of some kind. Whatever country they're operating in, they need to register there. Trust me, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't fall for shiny promises and big returns without any real proof to back it up. If I find anything new about this, this whole situation, I'll definitely let you know. But like I said, if you go to their website, they completely wiped this area out. If you go to FX Master Gold, they're pointing to Absolute Markets. So they don't have an actual address on this site, which is super sketchy if you ask me. Let me just click on Contact Us. Look at that, contact us, email us. There's no information, but they're connected with Absolute Markets. And when you head over to Absolute Markets, as you can see, they got 305 Griffith Corporate Center, Kingstown. So this is what scams normally do. Once one is failing, they'll start launching other ones to keep the momentum going. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't know this, but NovaTech is not doing well. There has been withdrawal issues. People are not getting paid on time. So this is usually the beginning of the end. They got so many fraud warnings I can't even count. I think they got like 4 in Canada alone. And it's just going to continue, right? And also they're telling people, because, you know, California did issue a cease and desist, that don't register your business in California, register in a different state to get around that. So how about you just register with the right financial regulators and make it legal, right? I mean, why don't you take that route? Because they're not operating this legally. They are using new investments, paying off existing members. This includes FX Master Gold and Absolute Market. They're all the same crap. Don't fall for it, okay? Anyway, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon so every time I bring in a video, you'll be notified right away. And also description box below and first pinned comment of 2 steps. Step 1, visit my website, themillionairedrive.com, if you want to learn how to build a proper passive income stream online, step by step, over the shoulder, with one-on-one mentoring. Now, this is not really open to a lot of people. You have to qualify. So make sure, leave your name and email, and I'll send you that information over. At the end of the day, it's information. If you feel it's the right fit for you, awesome, let's partner up. If you don't feel like it's for you, that's okay. You'll be on my email list, and I do provide a ton of value there anyway. And also in the comments and description box below, I have a second step. So first step is themillionairedrive.com. Make sure your name and your best email address there to get that info. Step 2 is join my Facebook group for free, where I provide a ton of value about how to make money online, different ways, so you can be part of that for free. All you have to do is answer the 3 questions properly, and I will approve you for the Facebook group. There's no spam allowed in there. It's all clean. It's tons of value, like I said, so make sure you join that as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.